how to start a conversation. Starting a conversation can be as easy as being friendly, open, and showing genuine interest in the other person. Here's a simple guide on how to start a conversation. 1. Smile and say hello. Start with a friendly smile and a simple hi. 2. Introduce yourself. Keep it straightforward. I'm Joliet. 3. Notice something nice. Give a compliment. Your shoes looks great. 4. Ask a question. Begin with a simple question. How's your day going? 5. Find shared interests. Ask about things you both might like. Do you enjoy photography? 6. Listen and respond. Pay attention to what they say and respond with interest. That sounds interesting. Tell me more. 7. Share something about you. Open up a bit. I love hiking. What about you? 8. Keep it light. Stick to positive topics. What brings you joy or makes you smile? 9. Express appreciation. End on a positive note. It was really nice chatting with you. Remember, the goal is to make the other person feel comfortable and create a connection. Keep it simple, be yourself, and enjoy the conversation. Here are 30 examples of how to start a conversation in various contexts. 1. In a park. Hi, I like the park. Do you come here often? 2. At a store. Hello. Have you tried this smartwatch? I'm thinking about getting it. 3. On public transportation. Hey, do you take this bus often? I'm Joliet, by the way. 4. At a party. Hi there, I'm Joliet. Do you know many people here? 5. In a waiting room. Hello. Waiting is a bit boring, right? What do you do to pass the time? 6. At a coffee shop. Hey, I'm Joliet. What's your favorite coffee here? 7. In a shared hobby setting, art class. Hi, I'm Joliet. Your art looks cool. What got you into it? 8. At the gym. Hello. I see you working out hard. Got any favorite exercises? 9. At a bookstore. Hi, I'm Joliet. Any good books you'd recommend? 10. In a line. Hey, waiting can be slow, right? What do you usually do to kill time? 11. At work. Hi there, I'm Joliet. How's your day going? 12. At a sports game. Hey, are you a fan of badminton? I'm still learning but enjoying it. 13. At the beach. Hello, nice weather, huh? Do you come to the beach often? 14. At a community event. Hi, this event seems interesting. Are you part of the community? 15. At a movie theater. Hey, excited about the movie? I'm Joliet, by the way. 16. In an elevator. Hello, going up or down? Quick question. Do you like elevators or stairs better? 17. At a food truck. Hi, the food here is supposed to be amazing. Do you have any favorites? 18. In a shared workspace. Hey, I'm Joliet. Do you work around here too? 19. At a concert. Hello, the music is great, right? Do you have a favorite song? 20. At a kids event, playground. Hey there, I'm Joliet. Do you have kids playing here too? 21. At a family gathering. Hi, I'm Joliet. How are you related to the family? 22. At a fair or carnival. Hello, fun place, huh? What's your favorite ride or game? 23. At a museum. Hey, I'm Joliet. Do you visit museums often? 24. At a picnic. Hi, nice day for a picnic, isn't it? What's your favorite picnic food? 25. At a tech event. Hello, I'm Joliet. Are you into tech stuff too? 26. At a wedding. Hey there, I'm Joliet. How do you know the couple? 27. At a job fair. Hello, I'm Joliet, looking for job opportunities too? 28. At a networking event. Hi, I'm Joliet. What brought you to this event? 29. At a dog park. Hey, cute dog. What's their name? I'm Joliet. 30. At a family reunion. Hello, I'm Joliet. Which branch of the family are you from?